Hi Tiffany, how are you doing today?
Hi Tayo, I'm doing alright. How are you?
I'm alright, a little stressed out with exams.
Oh yeah, I'm also a little stressed now that you mention it.
I'm Tayo and Tiffany. I'm a college freshman right now at Johns Hopkins, born and raised in New York. Figuring out exactly what I want to do, and I just want to be able to actually connect with the community and help to do good and, to meet people and help make their lives better.
This is my half of the room. So that's actually a little funny. I'm also from New York City, but I go to school in Pennsylvania. I go to Lehigh University and I'm a sophomore in the business school. As a kid, I didn't really have certain resources that I think other people might have. Like, for example, my parents, they don't speak English. In terms of, helping me with academics and my career path, they're not too familiar. I have to declare my major pretty soon, so I kind of feel like a little pressured.
I'm an undecided major right now, but I'm kind of leaning towards doing civil engineering. Sometimes when I was really little, I traveled with my dad, and we would be at the front of the 4, 5, or 6 trains, and my dad would hold me in front of the window and I would go through the tunnel. You get to understand how cities work and how they can be improved. I met a lot of kids who are, 17 to 19 years old and who know exactly what they want to do for the rest of their lives. That can be a little bit intimidating.
Because most of my friends are engineers and they kind of declared the major before coming in. I felt like I was the only one that came in not knowing what I wanted to do at all. My interests are so far in marketing and psychology.
I'm curious to hear, with you being a sophomore, last year was obviously a very disrupted year.
Honestly, it did not feel like a regular year. I worried a lot about not doing enough, maybe outside of school to get into my career.
I feel overwhelmed enough doing physics, then I also play a sport, and that's enough to just fill out my schedule. Kind of worries me that I'm going to make a big decision and I'm not as informed as I could be about what I want to do.
It was great meeting you, Tayo.
I always love to meet a fellow New Yorker. Good luck for the rest of the process.
Thank you, you too.
Never used a lawnmower before. It's a city kid confession, but I think I'll swipe right. I'm a big fan of nature. I feel like I'm swiping right on everything.